Today, we're showcasing the Veement V300 Dash Cam, a compact and powerful car camera that delivers unmatched clarity and safety for your vehicle. Featuring an impressive 1296p HD resolution, this dashcam captures every detail of the road in ultra-clear quality, both day and night, thanks to its advanced night vision technology. Equipped with a starlight-level sensor, a 170 degrees ultra-wide lens, and an f=1.7 large aperture, the V300 ensures superior video quality, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in bright daylight, you'll have peace of mind knowing every moment is recorded in crisp detail. This dashcam is designed with safety and convenience in mind. It uses a USB-C power supply, eliminating the risk of overheating, and features seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the camera and view footage easily through the VeeCar app. With features like loop recording, a 24-hour parking mode, hardwire kit needed, and support for up to 256 GB SD cards, the Veement V300 offers continuous protection for your vehicle. And there you have it, a top-notch dash cam that's perfect for enhancing your driving safety. For more details and where to buy, check the product links in the description. Be sure to subscribe for more product reviews, and thanks for watching.